another unboxing ulit tayo, guys. And this is what I bought from Revive Foods. Ayan. So, gusto ko na kasing mag-diet, guys. Alam niyo naman, ang bell-bell natin. O, ayan. Hindi na siya nawawala, guys. And, pag nag-diet ka pala, kailangan kumain ka sa saktong oras. Ganun pala yun. Hindi yung pag nag-skip ka ng meals mo, papayat ka na. Hindi pala siya healthy. Yun. So, kay Revives, since hindi ako pala kain sa umaga, ito yung solusyon sa akin. Na-try ko na to before, guys, and nakapag-order na ako. Nasubukan ko. Effective naman sa akin. So, ito yung iniinom ko tuwing umaga, and iniinom ko din after workout ko sa gabi. Kasi nag-walking ako sa treadmill ko. Minsan, tinatamad ako mag-prepare ng salad sa gabi. So, instead of preparing some meals at night, I will just blend some smoothie. Ayan. Para siyang smoothie, guys. Ayan. I will show you what is inside the box, guys. Yes. This is from Revive Foods. Revives. And this is what inside the box. Oh my goodness. Let's open it. Nagbikit na siya, guys. Oh my God. Hala. Ayan. So, meron siyang free na portable blender. Ayan. Kagaya neto, guys. Kasi nakapag-order na ako before. So, meron na ako neto. Ayan. Ang ginawa ko, guys, is every first order mo, may pa-free kang ganito, guys. Ang ginawa ko, para makakuha ulit ako ng free tumbler or portable blender, ginamit ko yung isa kong number. Pero same lahat naman ng information. So, yun. May natutunan din ako na sa mga in-orderan natin online, hindi nila pala sinisave sa system nila yung mga details natin. Ayan. That's why I get another portable blender. Ayan. So, ipakita ko rin siya, guys. Ito siya. Meron siyang brush, panlinis. Ayan. And, meron siyang cord. Ayan, para i-charge mo siya. Rechargeable siya. And, look at that. See? Now, I have two. Look at that. Ayan, so ito yung itetest natin mamaya. Yung nagamit ko na kasi nahugasan na to. Ito hindi pa. Reserva ko na to, guys. Sakaling magkaberya yung isa. Ayan, let's put the cord inside. Put back in and put this brush there para maitago ko. Ayan. And then I will show you what I ordered, guys. Ayan, so I ordered two of this one. This is a protein mango. Ayan. You know that I love mango and pineapple, guys. So I take two of this flavor. And then, I get one of strawberry and banana. That's one. And then, I got, where is this one? I got one mango plus passion fruits. And, I got four of this one. Tropical mango and pineapple. Yes, guys, I love mango. I love mango and pineapple. I got four of this one, 4 cups. This is what I tried before. This flavor, I tried already before. That's why I take the same flavor right now. And now, I'll show you how it blends this one. So, open natin yung isa, si protein mango. Ayan, try natin ito. Taran! Okay. And then, let's use this portable. Let's make sure na naka-align the arrow. Ayan, kasi baka mag-leak. And then here, we're going to put 8 pieces. 8 pieces na ganito siya, cubes. Cube siya guys, ganyan. O, tatlo na yan. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's zip this one. And let's add water. Water. And let's blend it. Bismillah. Okay, see? This is the power on. Galing, diba? It's done. That's it, guys. Then we have now the smoothie. And now let's bring some cup and let's try it. Cup. Ganun lang yun, guys. Ooh. Look at that, guys. The smoothie. Oh my god. And let's try it. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Oh my god. Para siyang ice cream, guys. Ang sarap. I love it. Yun lang, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Masalama, everyone. I love you. Bye.